boys and girls, it's time for math. So what we're going to work on today is we are going to work on numbers and we are going to work on counting. So we have two different games that we're going to use. The first one is going to use owls and the second is going to use cows. So let's start with our owl game. Now before we start that, I need to show you two things that we're going to be using. This is going to be my owl branch. So remember, a branch is like a stick coming off of a tree. And what do you notice about this branch? It has numbers. What do the numbers, or sorry, can you count the numbers with me? They start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And above those numbers on the side are little holes that I can put things in. So that's where the owls are going to go and where they're going to sit. But I'm not going to know which owls to put where without a spinner. So this is called a spinner because it spins. It goes around in circles and it's going to land on these numbers. They're just the same as the numbers on the branch. They start at 1, they go all the way up to the number 10. So I'm going to go ahead and spin this. Alright, I'm going to turn it over so you can see it better. Where did the arrow land? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to go ahead and get an owl and put it on the number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then he's just going to sit right in there on my branch. So far, how many owls do I have on the branch? Just one little owl. Let's add some more. Time to spin. 1, 2, 3, spin. What number did I get? 2. 1, 2. Right, I'm going to get a different color owl. This time it's going to be blue. Put on the number 2. How many owls do I have now? 2 owls. The number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to come over here, find that number 4. Now remember, 4 can be written two different ways. It can be written with a triangle on the top, or it can be written where it's open on the top. These are both different ways to write the same number. So you're going to have to be watching and paying attention. And right now I have 3 owls on the branch. What number did I get that time? 8. You're right. 8 is 2 circles, one on top of the other. I'm going to find those 2 circles. Now an owl. How many owls do I have now? 4. Keep spinning. Ooh, what's that number? A 2. Now I want you to notice. I already have one here. So look what I can do now. I can stack them on top of each other. Isn't that really neat? So I want you to stop real fast and think about which number has the most owls. Remember, most means the biggest number. 2 has the biggest number of owls right now. And then these ones that have 0 have the smallest or the littlest numbers. Let's keep going and see how many more we can get. What number did I get? 6. Look, 6 has one as well. So we're going to have this. Now 4 and 8 are even or the same. They both have 1. And then 6 and 2 are even. They both have 2. Even means just the same number, no different. What number did I get that time? 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to find the 3. 1, 2, 3. Put it up here. How many owls are on my branch now? Can you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 owls are on my branch. Do another spin. 1, 2, 3, spin. What number did we get then? 6. I'm going to get another owl. Find my number 6, and oh, look now. How many owls does the number 6 have? 6 has 3 3 owls. It has the most, or the biggest number. All right, we're going to do one more thing with this game before we move on. We've been working a little bit on adding numbers together. So I'm going to turn this around so there are no numbers here, because that's not what we're doing. And I'm going to spin the spinner 2 times. First time I got a 10. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to put 10 owls on there. So I'm going to go ahead and put these on. All right, help me count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 owls on this side. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to spin it one more time. What number did I get that time? 3. So I'm going to grab 3 owls and put them on the other side. Now, if I had 10 owls on my branch and I put on or added 3 more, how many do I have now? Now, there are 2 different ways you can look at this. You can either count them all over again, or you could say that's 10. Let's keep going. So 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's count them all just to make sure that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 owls are on my branch. Great job, guys. All right, so I'm going to put those owls away. Say goodbye, owls. Goodbye. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Hoot, hoot, hoot. Time to go. And then I'm going to go ahead and get out our second game. Our second game also has to do with numbers and counting. But instead of having owls, what did I say we were going to have? Cows. Good listening. Right. I have this bucket of cows. And it's going to be very interesting because we get to put the numbers and the quantities, which means how many you have to count, together. Right? So here is going to be our first one. I'm going to show you my cow. Now there's something going on with this cow. Oh! Where are his back legs? Where's his tail? Uh-oh. We're going to have to find them using the number. So this is the number 8. We just talked about it. It's 2 circles, one on top, one on the bottom. So we're going to need to find his number. I'm going to give you 2 different pieces that might be his. So go ahead and count them. Remember, we're looking for the number 8. I'm going to give you a second. Did you figure out which one it was? Let's start with this one. Help me out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, so that's too big. So let's see if this is the right one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these 2 pieces go together. Ooh, thank you. Good job, guys. All right, I'm going to show you another number. It's the number 1. That was easy. And I'm going to show you 2 different choices. I want you to count the dots and tell me which one is 1. Well, that was easy. That's 1. That's 2. So I'm going to go ahead and put 1 with 1. So now we've got these 2 dots. So we need to find where is the number 2. I'm going to grab some cows and see if we can't figure out which one is the number 2. Well, that was easy. There it is. Remember, because this one's the number 4. Let's put 2 and 2 together. Excellent work. So now we've been left with the number 4, and we're going to have to figure out which has 4 dots. So I'm going to go ahead, get some pieces. Which one do you think it is? The green one. That was easy. You probably don't even need to count these. You can probably look at it and say, oh, that's 4. I know that. So let's go ahead and put the 4 dots with the 4 numbers. Excellent. We're going to keep going. I've got these dots. They're just sitting over here. We counted this a little while ago. How many were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 dots. So we're going to look for the number 9. I've got 2 choices. Oh, these look very similar. It looks like if you turned one upside down, it might look like the other one. But we're not turning them upside down. This is how they look. This one's the number 9. That's a 6. So let's put the 9 with the 9. All right. How many dots do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 dots. Now I want to know, is 10 dots bigger or smaller than this number of dots? So let's figure out how many are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6 dots, and this is 10 dots. Is 10 bigger or is 10 smaller? 10 is bigger. It is a much bigger number than 6. There are more dots. So let's go ahead and find that 10. Is this a 10? No, we said that's already 6. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on my 6. Love these cows. Is this 10? It is. Good work. All right, and then I've got 2 cows that are already done. Oh, I've got 3 cows that are already done. And we're going to talk about them. So, stack up my 3 cows so we can see all 3 numbers. There we go. What numbers do I have? I do. I have a 3. I have a 7. And I have a 5. So I'm curious to know which number is the least or the smallest number. Which is the least, the littlest? 3 is the littlest number. These have much more than this. This is just 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3, and then some more. This is 1, 2, 3, and then some more. So those are bigger. So 3 is the smallest or the least. Which one is the most or the biggest? So we already know it's not this one because we said that's the smallest. 7 is the most. So 3 is the least, 7 is the most, 5 is right in the middle. All right, good job, boys and girls. I want you to go around today. I want you to try counting things. And if you want, you can even try to find some numbers and tell mom and dad what number that is. You are so smart. You are great at math. All right, my darlings, that's all I've got for you today. And since it's Friday, I will see you on Monday. Have a wonderful weekend, my darlings. Bye, guys.